Well, at least there's one more step to then I can finally capture you all.
Well, you know that this switched down a lot.
How about you shut the...
Hey, what do you think you're doing? Ah, we fell out of the towel. We can make an escape. Come on. Guys, come on, we can go in the freezer.
What the? Yeah, guys, we were waiting for you. Come on, get inside, quick.
Okay, we're getting in.
No!
Close the door!
Oh, do you really think you can run from me? Well, I'm gonna get inside the freezer and beat your... Maybe they didn't go in the freezer. Back onto business. What the? Did we just travel between freezers? What? I can't believe it. It's actually possible.
Yeah, I never knew this could be possible. Yeah, wait, what? Stoney, how are you already up there? Because I'm better?
Really? You think you're better?
Wait, why are here blue shell noises?
What just happened? I heard an explosion inside the freezer, and now we're over here.
I got blown up.
Well, you don't look blown up. Guys, come on. Should we get started with the elimination? Ow. Let me redo that.
I'll stick with that.
Yeah, it is time for the elimination.
But who is up for elimination?
Dude, you said you were blown up.
We're not doing that again.
But I think, wait.
You two are for elimination.
What? Just the two of us?
Yeah, we're on BFNSR 40.
Wait, the 40th episode?
Yeah.
He got so shocked that he got so shocked that he decided to fly into the sky.
Alright, so these two are about to risk getting eliminated, so who do you...
You're lying down. You're literally lying down in the reflection. Oh.
Well, we can see everything in a reflection, so who should be eliminated? Choose fast. I don't have all day.
Alright, I'll choose for you. I believe Block.
What? Why me?
Because, you suck. Why do I suck?
I bet that...
Don't do it. Why? Because you're gonna get seriously injured. Oh, it's because if I say this thing sucks, I'm gonna get exploded by a blue shell.
What did you even say?
I said, fine, I get it now, so I won't do that again. That's inevitably what you deserve. Well, he's whoa, chill. Well, he's perfectly gone. So we're finally down to the final three. Yippee! Let's dance. Bro does not know how to dance.
That was by far the worst dancing I've ever seen in my life. Wait a minute, why am I on the slingshot? I think I've seen this before.
And that's exactly the reason why. Wait, what? Where'd you go? I launched him out of this universe. Oh, really? Can I try? Yeah, it's pretty dangerous. You could try. I don't think you really fit on it, though. Are you body shaming me? No, I would never body shame somebody.
So, is the challenge to escape the alternate universe? No. Alright, well, I guess I'll just launch myself.
I saw you over there. Yeah, that's a weird thing I do. I put my knee on, like, this thing. The place where you normally rest your arm, but I rest my knee. Yippee! Unfortunately, you guys did not get set into another dimension, and we're gonna actually get started with the challenge, which will not involve the slingshot. Or maybe it will.
What do you mean?
Never gonna give you. Oh, come on! But seriously, are we gonna use the slingshot or not? No.
Just you and your laziness.
Wait.
Wait a minute. Stony!
Oh. What the? You're supposed to be hosting.
Why did you take over?
Because you stupid piece of plastic, you were the one that was on. You were the one that's on the ground and not on this table. So you better stay where you are.
Fine, I'll stop.
All right. Well, you do something. I don't want to make a challenge. I'll go host season. Wait a minute. Didn't Orange Pillow just take over season 2?
It's probably not going to do anything.
You're right. You do something. Yippee!
Fine, crazy. So, Baskety?
What?
I don't have any ideas for the challenge. Do you have any?
No, I don't.
I know what we should do. We should put Jenga to bed. Wait, what? What even is the time? It's 1 p.m. Why would you need me to go to bed? Because I know a certain person will just really adore the fact that you're in an oversized bed for a little tiny piece of wood. Okay.
You know what? You can sleep with the cat. You can sleep with the cat. It'll be your best pillow.
Okay.
Well, sleep tight, Jenga. We'll see you later.
Didn't your voice so manly? Okay. Yeah, my voice is not manly.
It was never manly. Really?
So, that's the end of the episode. Kill the outro!
No, we don't. We don't have an official outro.
Well, why don't we have an outro?
Well, technically, I was actually planning an outro, but I kind of forgot about it.
Well, then, why not include it?
I will add an outro one day, but you guys, I don't think you'll be creating an outro because I know it'll suck, but just think of something. Something to. Hold up a minute. Give me a second. No, not you. Or you. Get. No, I don't want to confuse you guys. Hey, look, I'm on the reflection. Hi there. Put your knee down. What the? Ow. We should do something for him, guys.
But we already tried that and it didn't go well.
Well, I believe he said it was
kind of random.
but he did end up saying it was fine. It was fine. It was fine. It was fine. Shut up.
Sorry, guys, I brought Bouncy Ball back up. So, what are you doing?
He said that, like, he wanted us to, like, watch the videos or something, but we forgot to do that last episode. But thankfully, we don't have a garbage memory, so we should finally, do something.
That's the challenge, is watch his videos?
Yeah.
And how will the elimination turn out?
I don't know then. And what is he doing? Is he rejecting her? What?
Well, he's a cat. What do you expect? They don't like to sit next to tiny pieces of wood with a drawn face.
Oh, fine. Wait, how's Jenga doing?
She's doing alright. She just somehow fell asleep while the cat was moving. So I guess, yeah, we'll just watch the videos, but how will the phone stand up? The stand's broken.
Here's an Xbox 360 controller and some plastic box to hold up the phone, of course.
Okay, well, that's revolutionary. Hey, I heard the Xbox 360 controller stand-up design before.
And when was it?
That video.
Oh, okay, fine. I wasn't in that video, so what do you expect? It's dedicated to you losers only. Did you just call me a loser? Yeah. Did you really call me a loser? Alright, and now that's dealt with. Move out of the way. Bruh. The phone stand doesn't even work. Stupid. Wait a minute. Wasn't this the video that White Plate was talking about? I know, my bad. Highlighter was talking about. Yeah, I believe it was it, so... What? The video comes out September 15th? But I want to watch the video right now! Okay, but in all honesty... What the hell is this? What? 11 minutes? We'll think about that. Wait a minute, what does that say? Garbage. Okay then, sure. POV when you mess with Jenga. Where's the boom? Where's the money big boom? We're gonna watch the Russian video. Wait, what's part? Oh, I guess we went back too far. Okay, but in all honesty, we're gonna watch the entire Russian history video made by Who's with me? Well, I'll join, I guess. You guess? What do you mean you guessed? I don't know. I want to join in too. Well, of course, Flossie. We're buddies after all. Oh my god, I would like to join. I would like to join too. So, what could be the challenge? Wait, whoever makes one criticism or criticize whatever it's called in this video, you are automatically will automatically be eliminated in the next episode and executed and twisted and crushed. And guys, did you forget about me? No, you're eliminated. Go back. Although he said it wasn't my favorite, he wasn't my favorite. He lied to me. I was the. Alright, I dealt with them. When are we gonna watch the video, guys? Stop roughhousing. Wait, where's Paskity? Yo, Play-Doh, throw him away. Why? I don't know. But finally, let's watch it. Dang. Okay. Seems good. No changes yet, but okay. Wait, what's going on, Poland? Sweden. Sweden? More like... Wieland. You said... What was that? I don't get it. Sweden. Leave Poland alone. Oh! Oh, finally, I changed to Russia. Isn't that criticism? No, it's not criticism. $1712. But what about 1812? That year's better. Oh, what's going on? What's going on for Finland under Swedish rule? Under a Keeneland control. Is something gonna happen? Criticism? No, it's not criticism. Oh, what the? Everything that shifted around. What was the difference? I didn't notice the difference with China. China! You are so annoying. Fine, I'll stop. I'm gonna go sleep.
Oh my god. Yeah, if you do something dumb one more time, then you're off for elimination.
Fine.
Okay, there's stuff going on in Iran, cool.
That's not related to Russia. I'm sorry.
Oh, Russia conquered a bit of land. How long is this?
Oh, good lord, it's 8 minutes.
Well, better get watching. That's a very good dancing.
Oh, bad news. There's a cat climbing on her table.
I'll just ignore him. He's not gonna do anything. Mind if you move, please? Get your whiskers out of the way. Didn't Russia just do something to Kazakhstan? I believe that's not Kazakhstan because I nearly got brain damage there. Well, then don't have a nerd voice. Fine, I'll have a man voice. No, that's too threatening.
Dude!
Why don't you? Why? What even was that?
Some cat, like, knocked over a phone. Or recorder, or whatever you want to call it.
We're at 1757 already?
Yeah.
Okay then.
What the? Would this shift it all the way from Central Asia to Europe? Oh, it's Prussia, I think. Things are getting pretty silent.
Well, said you. You're the one who's almost getting eliminated and decided to keep your mouth shut.
Why is there modern borders?
That took a rather long time. It's kind of fun.
Stop it, I'm getting dizzy. Hey! You guys are not watching the video!
Fine. Post Marty, you didn't do anything wrong. You are watching the video.
And not making... Is that Crimea?
I believe it is.
It's the American Revolutionary War!
Now it is.
Yay! Screw you, Russia! It's 1780. We're getting, rather close to the next century. Oh!
Nothing changed. Okay, well. Wait, when is the moment when they colonized Alaska? I don't remember. Oh, there's nothing on there, okay.
Korea and Japan down there just chilling.
I agree.
You know, I have an idea. And what can that be? Maybe we can watch like this part for BFNSR 40, the next part for BFNSR 233, and then the final part for BFNSR 33. Yeah, I agree with that. I believe that's the wrong ornament flag. Okay, you know what? You're done. You're absolutely done.
I'm sorry. I'm just pointing out the mistakes. No, don't, don't put me in the vet. No. Oh, thank you. Thank you for not putting me in the vet. You're a kind soul. Oh, where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? Don't try to take it from me. Don't try to take it from me. Don't try to take it from me. Come on, let's go. What are you doing with me?
This is what you get. Too many interruptions. You deserve no mercy.
What are you doing? No.
My work here is done.
Okay, guys, I'm back after flushing poison marker down the toilet. Did you actually? Yeah, of course I did. Anyways, let's watch the final parts. Yep, rest in peace to Bolin. You'll come back in like the next few 100 years and then immediately be crushed again and you're back. The greatest history for the country, am I right? No. How? Oh, come on, again? I'm just gonna hold it up. 1800! Yay! Part 2 coming soon, let's go! We finished one part. So, like, as we said, we're not gonna watch the entire part for this episode, but for the next episode, which is BFNSR 233, we're gonna watch part 2, and then BFNSR 33 will have part 3, the end. So, yeah, we watched that entire video, and Poison Marker just got flushed down the toilet. You can say he's flushed away. Funny dream, which maybe reference, am I right?
Whoa. So, did you enjoy the episode? If you did, make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to see the other BFNSR seasons, just go to these 3 playlists. Or maybe 4 in case season 4 will exist. Which it will, and it probably will come out later. So yeah, you better subscribe. Otherwise, I'm going to come to your house and break your limbs apart, and then tear them, and then crush them with the hydraulic press, and then put pineapples onto them, and then I'll throw you out a window. So you better subscribe.